Hey you! Are you an English teacher?
Me? Yes. Who are you?
Well, if you are, you probably know the CFR, the Common European Framework of Reference.
No.
You know, the international standard to measure your language skills.
No.
The language skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing.
Oh, yeah.
Well, in recent years, it got an update, and now it also includes mediation.
Okay, now I'm lost. What is mediation?
Well, in the CFR, mediation is defined as taking existing information and rephrasing, translating, or adapting it so someone else can understand it.
But why was I included in CFR? Should we teach that?
Yes, because mediation recognizes that our students are plurilingual agents.
Oh, who are you? Where's the other girl?
It trains students for real-world scenarios such as like being in a business meeting, whispering a simple explanation to a colleague, or trying to read something in another country and explaining it to a friend.
But wouldn't that be covered by the 4 skills?
No, when we focus on the 4 skills, we just focus on comprehension. That means you only understand something for yourself.
Mediation requires you to understand something so deeply that you can adapt the content based on who is receiving it. It tests if you can actually navigate the unpredictable waters of human interaction.
Okay, sounds useful. But how do I incorporate that in my classroom or in an activity?
For a classroom activity to truly count as a CFR aligned mediation, it needs to have a purpose and a destination. A successful mediation activity relies on 2 pillars: a contextualized communicative situation, the setup, and a clear task or outcome, the finish line. First, a mediation activity establishes the realistic scenario that answers 4 critical questions. Who am I? Who am I helping? What is the problem? And why can they do it? Without this context, a student cannot mediate since they don't know how to adapt the language.
Second, a mediation activity must result in a concrete product or resolution. This outcome serves as proof that the communication gap was successfully bridged. This could look like a completed infographic or chart based on a text, a written email that resolves a misunderstanding, or a short spoken summary that helps a group choose something based on a list of rules.
Alright, I think I get it now. I'm gonna plan an activity based on that.
No, wait! We haven't explained something very important.
Really? What could you possibly be missing?
Type of mediation activities. For example, translating, relying on specific information, note-taking.
Oh, I think my students need to learn that.
Okay, then let's design the perfect mediation activity. Tell me, what English level do your students have?
Oh, they are B1.
Perfect! Let's see the CFR B1 descriptor for mediation. Can you help me read it?
Okay. Can take notes as a list of key points during a straightforward talk or presentation, provided the topic is familiar and the talk is both clearly structured and delivered in slowly spoken standard dialect.
Based on that, we have the perfect activity for you.
Okay, students. Now we have the first task. Okay? First, this is the situation. The school is organizing a field trip to an interactive nature park. A guest speaker from the park gives a very short presentation in English about the schedule, what clothing to wear, and safety rules regarding to the animals. But one of your classmates tells you that they are going to arrive late and will miss the presentation completely. So, how are you going to help?
By paying attention?
Okay, good, but there's something else.
Oh.
Yes?
Taking notes.
Yes, exactly. Very good. So remember we learned about note taking. Now we will have to use that method for this activity. You will have to listen to the speaker presentation carefully. You will have to take notes of the key points and guidelines to follow. You will have to write an organized list after listening so your classmate knows how to prepare for the trip. Then you will have to explain to your friend the requirements based on the list that you will make. Is everything clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so now we're going to listen to a 5-minute audio now they know about the situation, okay?
Okay, Jimena, how was your class?
It was great. Now my students are great mediators.
We're so happy to hear that.
Our job here is done.
Bye.